Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be opening up 4 packs of Lorcana, Rise of the FloodBorn, 2 packs of Rise of FloodBorn, and 2 packs of the first chapter. So for the first opening of 2024, we're going to start with Lorcana, the first chapter. As we are nearing completion of not only our first binder for the first chapter, but our secondary binder, Rise of the FloodBorn, because we're doing both at the same time. And then, after we get done completing binder sets, we're going to count how many packs it took. So we got Work Together, Gaston, Hakuna Matata, Magic Broom, Sudden Chill, Break, Captain, Befuddle, Jasper, Cusco, Let It Go, and we got another foil 7. Alright, not bad, not bad. We still haven't hit any of our legendary Tinkerbells or the enchanted Tinkerbell. We're able to get the Stitch so far. We still need a couple more for the enchanted. We're going to see if this is it right here for the second booster pack of Lorcana, the first chapter. Leading it off with Elsa, Ice Surfer, Healing Glow, the Wardrobe, Duke of Westleton, Maleficent, Sinister Visitor, Goons, Tigger, Pascal, Cheshire Cat, Stitch, Abomination, Mickey Mouse, Musketeer, Tinkerbell, Peter Pan's Lover. Foil, so we didn't get the enchanted, but we got a nice Tinkerbell. I was asking for a Tinkerbell, and I got a foil Tinkerbell, so I have to be more specific. I think I did say enchanted and legendary for the Tinkerbell. So that does that for the first chapter. Now we're going into the Rise of the FloodBorn. And we'll see if we can pull an enchanted, legendary, rare, a foil, something that we've already got to add into the binder for the completion. So we're going to start off with Jiminy Cricket. Boom. Viverana. Cruella de Vil. Sleepy. Benja. Pinocchio. Dopey. Officer Judy Hopps. Rain. Ooh, yeah, that's me, I'm Officer Judy Hopps, Alright. No foil on that one. We got Kronk, Junior Chipmunk. And then we got Nimarari, Morning Mist. Leading off with some kind of Ray, easygoing Firefly. Hopefully that isn't Ray from the Last Dragon, but okay. So that's the first Rise of the Floodborn. And then I don't know what Rhea did to upset Sisu, but obviously you've seen it yourself that Rhea got turned into a firefly. Manipulatively. So we're gonna go into our secondary pack of Lorcana. Rise of the Floodborn. Sprinkle a little bit of that fairy magic. Enchanted. Make it happen. Eat and get enchanted. Oh. Okay. So we're gonna lead off with Cusco, Water Llama, Peter Pan's Dagger, Enchantress, Non-Foil, Duke Weaselton, Mulan, Donald Duck, Deep Sea Diver, Minnie Mouse Surfer, Lawrence, Bucky, Falling Down the Rabbit Hole. Oh yeah, Alice would be a nice one right there too. And Honest John for the rare legendary, and another foil popsicle. Is that right? Is that foiled? Alright, so we got an extra popsicle. Which, you know, if I played the game, I'd be thrilled, but since I'm just collecting cards, it's gonna sit there with a whole bunch of other extras. But, so that's gonna do it for today's Rise of the Floodborn and the first chapter for 2024. So, hopefully everyone out there is also having good luck. And I don't know. I don't know if buying boosters will get me the foils, or if I just continue buying booster packs, will that gradually get me that lucky enchanted, or do I just buy the booster box and just get the enchanted that might be inside of the booster box? Because the enchanters, I guess, really, because I got the Walt Disney 100 collection with the 6 autographs, and I pulled that enchanted Hercules off of that one. But then for the Stitch, I got it out of a booster box, and I pulled an enchanted out of that. So it's like, I think you have to divvy up your money, bro. You gotta, invest your money into recirculation of it. So the gift sets, the Lumineers troves, booster packs, booster box.